In this exercise, we are now interested in the relation between R1 and Y2. We are trying to find the transfer function between this input and this output. Using the principle of superposition, we can set R2 to 0, find the relation between R1 and Y2, then set R1 to 0 and find the relation between Y2 and R2, and simply add the results together. But for now, let's simply find the relation between R1 and Y2. With R2 set to 0, the input here to this sum becomes 0, and all the parts of the diagram that go to Y1 can be neglected, which means that our block diagram now simplifies to this simple branch here. Now let's rewrite the block diagram starting at R1. R1 feeds G1, G1 goes to G7, and G7 goes now to a sum or a feedback loop between G5 and H2. And this is a negative feedback loop. The output of the feedback loop now goes to G6, and the output is Y2 of S. Now this is very simple to solve. G1, G7, and G6 are all in line, they can be multiplied. And that feedback loop is a very simple feedback loop with two elements. That becomes the line function G5 over 1 plus the line function times the feedback function G5H2. And the output here is Y2 of S. The transfer function I2 over R1 is simply multiplication of these two, G1, G5, G6, G7 over 1 plus G5H2.